Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Live Flex. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are connected to your smartphone, and now take a look at the left earbud. Tap once on the multifunctional panel to enable or disable ANC. Tap twice to answer and end the calls. Tap and hold to mute or unmute microphone during calls and to enable or disable voice assistant. Now take a look at the right earbud. Right here, if you tap once on the multifunctional panel, you can play pause, tap twice to skip to next song, and tap 3 times to go to previous song. Tap twice to answer and calls, tap and hold during calls to mute or unmute microphone, and while you are not on the call, tap and hold to use voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.